Yes. The answer to this question is yes. You definitely should have different boards on your profile. So I know for this person, they have an Etsy shop. So you can create boards around your products. So let's say for instance you have like coffee mugs. You can create a board that says mugs. You can create another board that says coffee mugs or like funny coffee mugs. You can get a little bit more creative with the keywords. Because in actuality, as a Pinterest expert, I probably wouldn't create a board that just says mugs. I'll be more specific to the type of mugs that it is. So if it's coffee mugs, if it's drinking mugs, glass mugs, things like that. And each of these boards that you create for your product, you can create multiple boards for multiple products. This is what you're going to pin your product to. So if you do have coffee mugs and you create a pin about your coffee mug, you're going to pin it to that coffee mug board. Maybe, like I said, you have coffee mugs, maybe you have glass mugs, you can pin it to multiple boards. And another thing is that you can create boards that are similar in name, but a little different. So like, say you have funny coffee mugs, you can also have like hilarious coffee cups. Your coffee mugs can go into both boards, but the board name is a little bit different and it's based around keywords that people could be using to find those coffee mugs. Some people might say coffee mugs, some people might say coffee cups. So hopefully this has been helpful, and if you have any more questions, leave them below and make sure to follow me.